Hello guys, it's been a while since my last trip, but I'm on the road again. I'm going to Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria, south of Bulgaria. Very beautiful region, which unfortunately I don't really know. I didn't have the opportunity to explore. Now I'm going to Bansku. Bansku is the most popular Bulgarian ski resort. I'm not gonna do ski though. And over there I will meet my friend Naiden. Naiden, you saw him in my last episode, in my previous episode with the BMW. Значи от тук отиваме посока Велинград. На спа. На спа.
Аз не съм спал, ще ме много добре.
На тебе ще ти е много добре с спа. Ами...
Чувствам уморен, ама просто кръста ме бъл, защото аз пак само по гръб за правя така, че...
Ами днеска полека човек и това е. Той без това в този дъжд.
Това не е нищо,
Да, ама на мокър път...
Какво да ни направи
на... на папки. Добре, така, айде. Знаем дали ще палне GS. Ако такова наскоро ще забутам, ей. Пална, бе. Hey guys, so I went to Bansku, I met my friend Naiden, and now we are going to Velingrad. The goal for today is to go to Čepelare, where to spend the night. We already booked a hotel room, you'll see it later on in the video. Weather conditions, not bad, it's not hot, which is good, I don't like to sweat too much. It's raining, yes, but it's not that intense. So far the weather is good, road conditions perfect. For being in Bulgaria it's perfect because we have a lot of potholes here, but it seems that this road in particular has been renovated. This guy crashed. Oh my god, that's not good. Maybe he crashed into this car, yes. And it just happened, obviously. Now we'll go to A.B.M. Как си? От тук нагоре ли ще тръгваме?
Са готини поляни.
Готино е, да. Значи ние сега отиваме към А.B.M.
А.B.M е нататък. Ако искаш да ходим на А.B.M?
Не знам, както кажеш ти си...
Много време, тук са много завои, 19 км, ама много караш по пътя за Козница. И пътя не е много хубав.
Окей, тогава го скипваме. Okay, this is the first dam we wanted to see over there. I don't know if it's visible on the video. We're going to the water. Opa! Some gravel road. Woohoo! My rear tire slit. Chemical, брат, то вали 2 дена. Naiden said that it's very muddy here, but it's been raining the last 2 days, so it's kind of expected. Ние може да отидем до него с моторите, или?
Ще затънем там, той ще прави. Ще ли да раздаме да видиш?
Чай да видим. Ще дойде да дърпаш. Okay, I will try to go to the dam itself, but it's very, very muddy. It started raining again. It's alright. Look it from the bright side. The view here is awesome.
Направи няколко фотоса.
It's pouring down badly, but we don't stop because we don't have a shelter where to hide, and to hide under a tree is not good because of the thunders. There were some thunders I heard, so it's dangerous. The next city, the next town is in, I think, 20 kilometers, so we will keep on riding to there, and there we will find a shelter, most likely a gas station or so, and wait until the rain slows down or stops. Guys, look at that view. What would you say? Amazing. Много добре.
Ама аз знам, че сме машини, няма смисъл.
За какво да спираме? Тук е уникално. Unique place. Really, really beautiful scenery. 37 more kilometers to Чепеларе. The place we're gonna spend the night at. This looks like an old style Bulgarian village. Very nice architecture. You see the old scales on the roof. This is a church here on the right. Great, it started raining. We just arrived in Cepelare. Now we are looking for the hotel. Naiden said the others in Google Maps, so I'm just following. Oh, I've been here with a friend of mine and his family like 4 or 5 years ago. The hotel should be here. Oh, this is a Choki. I hope they have parking. Maybe this is their parking on the other side. By the river. Това ли им е паркинга? Там ли е паркинга? Окей. 374 kilometers today. Enough. This is the hotel room. 60 leva for the whole room, which is not expensive. It's even quite cheap for a ski resort like that. We have a hot tub here. The bathroom looks good. I'm happy with the room. Okay, now we will rest and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.